Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use online Adobe Photoshop Easy Guide. You will first open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Adobe Creative Cloud website. Once there, simply sign in with your Adobe ID and password. From your dashboard, locate the Photoshop web application and click to launch it. This convenient online version allows you to edit images from virtually any device with an internet connection, making your creative process incredibly flexible and accessible. Once inside the online Photoshop environment, you will notice a clean and intuitive interface designed for efficiency. Your main image will occupy the central canvas area. On the left, you will find the powerful toolbar, containing familiar selections like the Move tool, Lasso tool, and Brush tool. To your right, the Layers panel is crucial for managing individual elements of your design, allowing for non-destructive edits. Understanding this layout will quickly help you find the functions you need. Let us dive into some fundamental editing tasks you can perform right away. Select the Crop tool to precisely refine your image composition, trimming unnecessary parts for a stronger focus. You can then use the image size options to scale your photo, making it suitable for various platforms or print sizes. Simple color adjustments, like increasing brightness or boosting saturation, are also readily available to instantly improve your image's visual appeal and overall vibrancy. Once your creative vision is complete, saving your work securely is paramount. The online Photoshop automatically saves your progress to your creative cloud storage, offering peace of mind. For sharing or final output, access the export options to choose your desired file format, such as JPEG for web use or PNG for transparent backgrounds. You can also directly share a link to your project, facilitating effortless collaboration or presenting your finished artwork to others with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.